Welcome back to Crypto Housewife. Let's look at Digibyte. And I'm seeing something that I like on its day chart. As you guys know, I put out a few videos about Digibyte this week. I have a complete playlist about them on my channel. And over the weekend, Digibyte pumped up pretty good. And I was kind of wondering, are we going to pull back in? If so, how much? And are we going to break through the support level? So let's just kind of jump right into a little bit about Digibyte. First of all, coin market cap, and we're up about 3% today. And we have a market cap of about 542 million, and total supply right now 15 billion, with a max supply of 21 billion. So I like that number. I like it a lot, actually. All right, so this eyeballing quickly the past month, down, then started to slightly get a little bit of notice here, and then we just pumped right up. So past 7 days, we'll eyeball that, pumped right up. And I was wondering, are we going to break through this level of support roughly here I was talking about? And we haven't really broken down, so we're still up. And now let's jump onto its day chart real quickly. This is where I want to be. So here we go. One candle equals 1 day. So that was our big pump up roughly a week ago. And we've pulled back in somewhat, and we're holding. We are holding, and we're above our 8-day EMA. So see this red line? I wanted this red line to cross the green line. I'm just going to say green line being the 21 EMA. So let's just look at colors and lines. So as it was trending, downtrending below, it was below the 8-day moving average. So we were trending down. Now that moving average got pulled up a bit, and when it crossed the green, the 21-day, kind of got excited. I said, okay, well, can we start to uptrend? And we sure did. We jumped right up, even crossing up over the 200-day moving average right here on this big spike. So pull it right back down. So we could look at this as we're getting a little bit overextended, or we could look at this as, oh, people are starting to notice, and it could do another little pop. Again, I don't have a crystal ball, just looking at the chart. A lot of factors come into play into why something will move. And Bitcoin, good old Bitcoin, has a little bit to say in what happens to other cryptos, because it tends to, if Bitcoin decides to pump up really hard, a lot of other things will follow. And the opposite is true too. If it decides to dump, yeah, things dump too. So what is Bitcoin doing? And I will get back to this in a second. So Bitcoin, here we are. So Bitcoin today is kind of pulling in. So pulled in yesterday. Will it go up? I don't know. I don't know, but but it's not dumping and it's not pumping either. So I like that. We're going kind of sideways with Bitcoin. Now getting back to Digibyte, and you see, I like this flag formation. It's kind of jaggedy, but I still like it. We did not break down here. We didn't pull back into 2 cents. We held a week in this kind of zone, kind of going sideways. So we are extended a bit, but I like the volume. We're getting some volume action, green, some buying, and sometimes these things pop up a bit. And what goes up quick can go down too pretty quick. So not financial advice, you do what you want. I'm just looking at its chart. But overall, I'm glad to see that it's holding up here. I am really glad. Let's look at its weekly for a sec. Yeah. On the weekly, we can see it's having trouble breaking through this area right here. I'm just going to get my other, here we go. I'm having trouble breaking through this. So if we can break through this and get up to, wow, that'd be nice. I see our next problem area could be at about 5 cents. 5 cents. If we could break through 5 cents and hold above it for a while, I'll say we found support above. So that's my next price target to break through on the upside, would be about 5 cents. That could be even 4.5, 5 cents is going to be in my head what we need to get up through, and then ideally hold up there to consider this kind of a turnaround point. Will it happen? Again, one candle equals 1 week. So that's what I'm thinking of right now. So right now we're at like 3.5 cents. So if we can get to 4.5, 5 cents and hold in sort of a position like this, if we can repeat this here over here, that I'll be really happy with that. Who wouldn't, eh? Who wouldn't be happy with that? But again, we have some factors, external forces at play, like Bitcoin. Weekly chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trying to push up though. So one candle is 1 week. It's trying to push up. So trend's your friend. Will it be okay with Digibyte? I don't know. I'll have to watch. So that's all I wanted to say. I just happen to like the setup on the day chart in terms of the flag pattern happening. It's an interesting flag pattern, that's for sure. It definitely is not a dump. It is trying to go up, and it's not because Bitcoin is pumping up. Bitcoin's a bit, like I said, kind of going sideways. Digibyte's kind of going sideways, but kind of slightly bullish. But anything could happen. This thing could continue sideways, or it could just retrace itself right back down to here. But I'm hoping that we see a jump to about here, about 4.5, 5 cents. We break up above this and then hold and have this be our new kind of support level. I don't know what will happen. Don't have a crystal ball. I'm just telling you what I see. I'm seeing a nice green. I'm seeing a nice bit of volume coming in, but will this be enough to get more volume in and get, picked up on other people's radars and just push it up a bit? I don't know, but we will see. Time will tell. And that's about all I have. If you guys can subscribe to my channel and share my videos, if you would please do so, I would appreciate it. I have a complete playlist of Digibyte, some exciting Digibyte videos that I made in the past week about all its excitement. And I will catch you guys later. Bye-bye.